Magandang araw muli sa inyong lahat. Welcome sa ating channel, Sir Lopez Vlog. Sa araw na ito ay magkakaroon muli tayo ng self-evaluation dito sa subject na Law Enforcement Administration and Organization. Ayan, layawan ito, subject usually ng mga first year na naka-enroll sa kursong Criminology. Okay, ang mga kasagutan later on makikita lamang dito sa ating description box. Kung nakanda na kayo, start na natin sa question number 1. Dictates that immediate commanders shall be responsible for the effective supervision and control of their personnel and unit. Letter A, command responsibility. Letter B, chain of command. Letter C, specialization. Or letter D, hierarchy. Question number 2. Represents the formal relationship among superiors and subordinates in any given organization. A. Command responsibility. Letter B. Chain of command. Letter C. Specialization. Or letter D. Hierarchy. Question number 3. Administrative function that involves the overseeing and supervising of the human resources and the various activities in an organization to achieve through cooperative efforts the predetermined goals or objectives of the organization. Letter A, organizing. Letter B, budgeting. Letter C, cooperating. Or letter D, directing. Question number 4. Dictates that there should only be one man commanding the unit to ensure uniformity in the execution of orders. A. Unity of command. Letter B. Command responsibility. Letter C. Hierarchy of authority. Or letter D. Authority. Number 5. The arrangement of officers from top to bottom on the basis of rank or position and authority. A. Chain of command. B. Command responsibility. Letter C. Commando. Or letter D. Authority. Number 6. Police is not a law enforcement agency. Letter A, true. Letter B, false. Number 7. This refers to a group of persons working together for a common goal or objectives. A, organization. B, police organization. Letter C, gang. Or letter D, syndicate. Number 8. Blank means to compel obedience to a law, regulation, or command. Letter A, regulation. Letter B, enforcement. Letter C, administration. Or letter D, organization. Number 9. The systematic arrangement of the relationship of the members, positions, departments, and functions or work of the organization. A. Organizational structure. Letter B, organization. Letter C, administration. Or letter D, operation. Number 10. What is the largest organic functional unit within a large department? Comprises of several divisions. A. Bureau. B. Division. C. Unit. Or letter D. Section. 11. Functions that are designed to support the line functions and assist in the performance of the line functions. A. Staff. B. Administrative. C. Auxiliary. Or letter D. Both A and B. Number 12. Which among the following unit performs the primary or line functions of the police organization? A. Operational. B. Administrative. C. Service. Or letter D. Unit. Number 13. Pertains to an organization that are responsible for enforcing the laws. A. Police. B. Law enforcement agency. C. Court. Or letter D. Correction. 14. When was the PNP established? A. December 13, 1990. Letter B. January 21, 1981. Letter C. January 29, 1991. Or letter D. January 29, 2020. 15. Staff functions of the police organizations are planning, research, budgeting, and blank. Okay, you have to select what is the missing word. A. Coordinating. B. Legal advice. Letter C. Organizing. Or letter D. Staffing. Number 16. The systematic arrangement of the relationship of the members' positions, departments, and functions or work of the organization. A. Organizational structure. B. Organizational goal. Letter C. Organizational mission. Or letter D. Organization. Number 17. Dictates that immediate commanders shall be responsible for the effective supervision and control of their personnel and unit. A. Command responsibility. B. Chain of command. Letter C. Specialization. Or letter D. Hierarchy. 18. Represents the formal relationship among superiors and subordinates in any given organization. A. Command responsibility. B. Chain of command. C. Specialization. Or letter D. Hierarchy. 19. A section or territorial division of a large city, each comprised of designated district. A. Area. B. Beat. C. Sector. Or letter D. Road. 20. When a group of people interact to achieve stated purposes, this is most nearly letter A. Management. Letter B. Control. Letter C. Delegation. Or letter D. Organization. 21. In policing system, the elimination of the opportunity of future offenders to commit crime is the definition of letter A. criminal etiology. B. Crime suppression. C. Patrol deployment. Or letter D. Crime prevention. (22) The right vested upon a superior officer to give orders and the power to exact obedience from subordinate officers. A. Command. B. Authority. C. Supremacy. Or letter D. Police power. (23) Republic Act 6975 is known as letter A. The PNP Reform and Reorganization Act of 1998. Letter B. Department of the Interior and Local Government Act of 1990. Letter C. Police Act of 1966. Or letter D. The merging of the Philippine Constabulary and the Integrated National Police. 24. Referring to the capability of a police commander to establish strategic and tactical alliances with the different sectors of the community, including churches, schools, local government units, and civic organizations in pursuit of peace and order. A. Community relation. B. Resourcefulness. Letter C. Interoperability. Ayan, so ulitin natin. Interoperability. Or letter D. Liasoning. (25) The government agency tasked by law to administer and control the Philippine National Police. A. DILG. B. NAPOLCOM. C. Civil Service Commission. Or letter D. Local government units. Okay, so natapos na natin ang ating sinagawang self-evaluation. Submit your answer using the link na makikita dito sa ating description box. Then later on, ipopost natin yung keto corrections nito. Alright? So, maraming salamat sa inyong pakikibahagi. Hanggang sa muli, see you again next meeting.